I nominate Ghost.
Okay, actually, who's gonna go Volcano?
I nominate Ghost because, as you saw in his previous screenshots in the chat, he hit
Listen, I had a satyr.
20 bill.
I'm a satyr, okay.
Yeah, well, he can do a ballot. It's Ghost. He can make miracles happen.
Okay then. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Electric flood! Strike launcher! Iron railgun! Open wide! Hellfire! Hell... 100 shells! Hyper railgun! Open wide! 100 shells! Strike hellfire! Perfect! Strike launcher! Hyper railgun! Hellfire! 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 Perfect! Galactic Iron Prison! Meteor launcher! Hyper railgun! Cool off! 100 shells! Hellfire! Meteor! Hell vortex!
That's the hatchery of science, by the way. Going Volcano.
Hawkeye! Hawkeye!
Wait, what?
Okay, we will go the first hatchery.
We'll go second. Party 3 will go second.
Sure. Because, like, you're right in front of the first hatchery right now, so we'll just go.
We can go to hatch after this. After we do second hatch, we'll go to fourth.
Hawkeye! Vortex! Cool off! Fire! Electric meteor launcher! Meteor launcher! Hellfire! Get out of here!
Someone give me someone so I don't have to take untrumpable.
Hellfire! Perfect!
No one likes chump.
I just died in town.
Oh. Oh shit, this burst.
100 shells! 100 shells! Hellfire! Open wide! Hyper railgun! Wide! Excellent! Hyper railgun!
Uh-oh.
Meteor
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
Hellfire! Open strike launcher! Iron prison! Balance breaker! Open hyper railgun! Hyper railgun!
Hmm?
Galactic cataclysm! Meteor launcher! Open wide! Hyper railgun!
Party 3 going to attach.
Iron prison! Hawkeye! Electric Hawkeye! Iron prison! Open! Hyper railgun! Hawkeye! Hyper railgun! Hyper railgun!
Can you solo?
Wide! Hyper railgun! Hawkeye! Meteor launcher! Meteor launcher! Hellfire! Hellfire! Hyper railgun!
Trump, get out, get out.
Iron prison! Electric! Hawkeye! 더욱더 고통스러워질 거야. Hyper railgun! Hyper railgun! Hyper railgun! Cool off! Hyper railgun! Fire! Get out of here! See ya! Open wide! Perfect! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Cool off! Fire! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Hyper railgun! Cool off! Hyper railgun! Hyper railgun! Hundred shells! railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Cool on! Fire! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Meteor launcher! Iron electric flood! Meteor launcher! Hundred Hellfire! Strike launcher! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! Fire! Hyper railgun! 100 shells! Cool off! Get out of here! Hyper railgun! Cool off! Fire! Iron meteor launcher! Hellfire! Fire! Shells! Hyper railgun!
Superhold! Superhold!
Hyper railgun! Fire! Electric flood! You're all dead! Meteor launcher! Meteor launcher! Meteor launcher! Meteor launcher! Hawkeye! 100 Hellfire! Meteor launcher! Fire! Cool off! Vortex! Get out of here! You're all dead! Iron Hyper railgun! Fire!
Oh, I forgot to give you guys the oh, sorry.
Hawkeye!
I was
Just
chatting.
use it, yeah.
Yeah, I was just chatting.
Electric flood! Fire! Meteor launcher!
Well, I guess we could call it a success.
Good job, guys.
Hazard and the static.
You guys are